B.Sc Biology. This is a 4-year program, split into 8 semesters by standard. Okay, so we have these courses to offer, and then you're expected to register all and pass them, carry all and pass all. 3 credit units is registered with 2.5, 1 credit and 2 units 2,000, and the exam fee for each course is 1,000. The course registration is actually the payment for textbooks or course materials. Then if you sum these two up, course material fee plus exam fee, you get these totals here. If you sum these totals up, you get a grand total of 34,000 plus your first compulsory fee. For every student newly admitted in NOUN, you pay 36,000. Well, except on the postgraduates that pay 35. But after this semester, 100 or the first semester, your first semester in school, whether direct entry, postgraduate, or regular, your second semester and all that will become 18,000. Half of it becomes 18,000. So if you sum this up, 34 plus 76, yes, 36, you'll be getting 70,000. So that's your fee for first semester, 100 level. And you have 100 level second semester B.Sc Biology, and these are your courses. You're expected to register all of them, but passing 21 units will do. That's what is required of you, which means one of these courses could go, and you don't have to rewrite it if you fail it, or just register 21 and then leave the rest. Good. Your total fee here as well is 55,000 for second semester, 100 level, 200 level first semester. These are your courses, and because this is B.Sc Biology, pure science program, you'll be offering just 2 or 3. If it's not a science program like B.Sc Education, Biology Education will not be offering this course. But then you did not offer just 107, but B.Sc Education, Biology Education will be offering just 105. That's how it works. You don't register the 2. Nobody registers the 2. Either register the other one. If you have pure science, you go with this 2 or 3. If you use education, arts, and other, you use 105. That's how it works. You can see there are lots of courses here, but then among all of these, you're expected to pass just 21 units of it. 21 units of this will do, which means even though you have 55,500 as your fee here, you may have to remove the cost of one course here, maybe 3,000 from it. You'll be having like 52,000 or 53,000. If you fund your wallet to 53,000, and you need to register. But then for direct entry students, you'll be adding just 107 to your for this 21. You add these 2 units course, you add it to it and register. You have extra 1 course. So put it together and then you are good to go for the semester. Then you move to 200 level second semester. These are the courses you're supposed to offer, all of them. You're supposed to register all and pass all. The fees are the same, and you have a total of 42,000 for 200 level second semester. Then you have 300 level first semester. These are your courses you're supposed to register all, pass all as well. And you have a total of 42,000, which includes the 18,000 compulsory fee and 24,000 for registrations. As we move to 300 level second semester, you have your assignments there. A student's industrial work experience scheme It's supposed to be in capital letter. It's an abbreviation. It's a 3 unit course, but you'll be paying 10,000. Yeah, it's practical. It does not require exams. That's why courses. Look at this one, field course one. It also does not require exams. It's not examinable. You don't write the exam for it, so they are practical, more of practicals, and that's why you don't pay exam fee for them. So you add this up as usual, you'll be getting these fees. Course material plus exam fees, you get these totals, and then total for registrations, then compulsory fee, put them together, you have 51,000. Then 400 level first semester, these are your courses, and out of this, one of them could go, and you are still okay, good to go. You have seminar here, which is not examinable, and then field course 2, which is not examinable too. So you put the fees together, you'll be paying 37,000 for 400 level first semester. Then 400 level second semester. The research project of 6 credits unit is here with 15,000 fee. Although you don't register it for exams, it's not examinable. There's no exam for that. Just pay 15,000 register your courses. Okay, then you have these credit units and your calculations as usual. It's 18,000 compulsory fee, and they amount to 53,000 as your total fee for the last semester, in school. Okay, here you have total credits carried. That's the number of credits units you have registered. 177. Assuming you registered all of these courses I have here. In your portal, you might see more than this, but this one gives the specifics. The ones you would register and you'll be through with your study so fast. But then out of the 177 credits units, even if you failed up to 17 units, you are still good to go. You will be graduated. That's why you have 160 as the total credits required. And if you came into direct entry, 130 will do the magic for you. That's it.